willkommen an die Hochschule für Gesundheit. Ich freue mich sehr, dass wir heute gemeinsam einen Tag mit einem Thema verbringen, was uns lange schon beschäftigt, nämlich wie kommen Evidenzen in die klinische Versorgung, etwas, was ja die Hochschule für Gesundheit schon seit 9 Jahren, eigentlich seit Beginn ihrer Gründung verfolgt und wo wir ja alle wissen, dass da noch so einige Hindernisse und Herausforderungen zu bewältigen sind. Wir haben heute hochkarätige Referenten aus England, die uns Beispiele zeigen werden, wie es eventuell funktionieren kann. Ich beginne auf Deutsch und möchte jetzt gerne zu meiner Kollegin Hazel, mit der ich schon eine lange Freundschaft und kollegiale Zusammenarbeit verbinde. Diese Idee, eine gemeinsame Konferenz auszurichten, war schon vor 3 Jahren, ist die entstanden, und ich freue mich, dass wir da heute auch das durchführen können. So, dear Hazel, I will hand over to you. Welcome to all my British and English-speaking guests. I'm looking forward to a very interesting and exciting day.
Vielen Dank, my colleague. Willkommen, everybody. My name is Dr. Hazel Roddam from University of Central Lancashire in the UK. I'm delighted to be here. And later today, we'll talk a little bit about the cooperation over the last 3 years we have been working together. But today is a celebration of the excellence in research and teaching in nursing, midwifery and allied health. We are very proud of what we've achieved in our professions, and we're taking this opportunity to share together between us. So you will hear in our welcome speeches about the purpose of today, our aspirations for what will be achieved today. But I want you to feel that you are part of a much wider audience, not only you who are here in this room today, but we have people following us on social media, and they will be interacting actively with us during the day. Now, I want to advance the slides, please, if I could have some assistance. Because we just need to advance the slides. We want to highlight for you the Twitter feed, the hashtag, and also the Facebook interactive group. These social media platforms are very effective for us to be able to engage in a virtual way. Thank you, my assistant here. Now we're in progress, okay. So we will mention this again during the programme, but in a way to encourage this, I have a prize today, a valuable prize, for anyone who will tweet for the first time today. So we will check this at the end of the day. Also, I have a prize waiting for anyone who is the most active on Twitter today. But when you tweet, please remember to use this hashtag. That is the way we will collect a record of all the Twitter activity. The Facebook activity, and you can see the link here, that is something which is a dedicated group that will be live for 7 days starting today. And again, this will be a permanent record of what we've achieved. We're recording by video our wonderful invited speakers, and that will be on our dedicated website, thanks to the staff here. And that will be public, open access. We want to share what we have been doing and what we achieved today with everybody. I have some other good news about prizes. Yeah. On the table at the front, you're welcome to have a look. We have a selection of books. Many of these books are from our invited speakers today, and they have autographed them. And you have a chance to win, to choose one of these books. At the end of today, we will draw names. If your name is chosen, and you are still here in our audience, then you can come and choose one of these books for yourself. If unfortunately you've had to leave, and we know everyone is very busy, some people may come and go during the day, and that's fine. We are very happy that you are here even for some time with us. If you are not here when we call your name at the end of the day, we will call another name. And so, thanks to the people who donated their books and autographed them. One other thing which is happening today, which is innovative and exciting, a selection of electronic posters. These celebrate excellence in teaching and research from our universities and our wider research groups. These are displayed out in the foyer. I invite you all to look at these, but my challenge is, can you meet the authors? So if you're looking at a poster and you're interested, please ask around, see if you can find out, is the author of that poster here today or one of their colleagues? So we hope that during the day you will all speak to each other, make new connections, new collaborations for the future. Okay, we have some more formal welcomes now. Oh, excuse me. So, I would like to invite the President here, please, to come to give her formal welcome. We are very grateful. Yes, please.
Dear guests and dear participants, dear Professor Harrison, I don't know whether you can hear and see us. I'm very delighted to welcome you to the first joint scientific conference of the University of Central Lancashire and the Hochschule für Gesundheit. Entitled From Research to Practice across nursing, midwifery and health sciences, this conference offers a full range of experienced practitioners, scientists from the United Kingdom and from Germany, who will give interesting insights into their scientific fields. Some items of the conference will be broadcasted on social media. This feature of the conference underlines the cross-border and international focus on this event. In addition, is this conference a great opportunity for us to strengthen our cooperation and to gain together new experiences. 2 years ago, our universities decided to establish a formal framework for our cooperation and signed a memorandum of understanding. You just can see the photo here. I didn't know that you brought it with you. Based on this document, several meetings and discussions between representatives of our institutions took place. This scientific conference is one result from these developments. As the legal representative of the HSG, I hope that our institutions will cooperate even more closely in the future. While our governments are discussing the future of the European Union in Austria and Salzburg, we can send a very strong message of excellent cooperation in the field of health sciences, which is important to all human beings wherever they live. For today, I wish you all very exciting and interesting discussions, interesting lectures. Have a great day, very good conference, and be welcome.
Next we have a welcome from the Executive Director, Executive Dean of our Faculty of Health and Wellbeing in UK. He is unfortunately not able to be with us in person, so he's prepared just a short welcome message for you.
Good morning. I'm Professor Nigel Harrison, Executive Dean of the Faculty of Health and Wellbeing at the University of Central Lancashire, and I'm delighted to welcome you to our Research into Practice conference, which cements the collaboration between Bochum and the University of Central Lancashire. I believe we've got a really exciting programme for you today, where we've got keynote world-leading researchers sharing their research in nursing, midwifery and allied health professions. And the researchers sharing their subject and methodological expertise with you in these areas. I'm also really pleased to welcome a number of colleagues from other universities in Germany and the UK and in Europe, and people from practice settings who are also going to share their work and their expertise with the audience. When Dr. Hazel Roddam and Professor Kerstin Bilda proposed the conference, the aim was really around providing an opportunity to celebrate collaborative and applied research in healthcare. And this fits really well with the University of Central Lancashire core strategic plan and our key priorities. Today's conference provides an opportunity to really appreciate the research priorities across healthcare professions that are current today, to gain a deeper understanding of the benefits of partnership working and the impact of research, as well as providing a network opportunity for everyone. Thank you so much for taking the time and coming today. I believe it's a unique event, a focus on interdisciplinary, applied, collaborative research, and we hope that we'll be able to build on this in the future. I'm really sorry I can't be there with you today, but I hope that you have an enjoyable and beneficial and successful day. Thank you.